Music?
Yeah, I've done so many collaborations with Star Music before. I officially became part of the family, and ayun nga po, I'm just so happy kasi right now I'm releasing so many songs that I've personally written, and all our ideas for both the promo and the production, very collaborative with the whole team. So, ayun po, I'm just really happy to be part of the Star Music family. And grabe yung support nila dito, lalo na sa D10, like hindi ko po talaga in-expect. So, maraming salamat to Star Music. And yun nga po, I'm just looking forward to all the projects we have together in the future as well. And,
all of us then, we're very excited din sa mga future projects mo.
Yes.
But the most recent one, of course, being the concert, which is D10 happening on June 1st. And we've been talking a lot, no, guys, about yung concert na to. And I'm sure yung mga media friends natin very curious na sa mga pasabog mo, mga preparations mo for the concert. So now we are going to do our Q&A with our media friends. So we have a list of pre-submitted questions here with me. And I will call you on and you can ask your question to Darren himself. Yes, may mic naman kami na ibibigay sa inyo. So ready ka na ba, Darren?
yes, ready!
Oh, ready. Kayo ba guys? Ready na ba kayo?
Ready na sila. Busog na sila eh.
Oo, true. Parang sarap ka ng kain nila. Okay, so our first question is coming from Joem Madrazo from Fitness Lifestyle Davao Digital Creators. So Joem, are you here? Nandito po ba si Joem? If not, I will ask the question for Joem.
Wala daw.
Ay, wala daw.
Okay.
Eh, di ako nila.
Okay.
Okay, so the first question coming from Joem is, how many hours a day or how many times in a week do you prepare for the concert and how do you keep yourself healthy? Wow.
Very good question. Ako mismo hindi ko alam kung paano sagutin yan eh. But I feel like through the grace of God, hindi naman ako nagkakasakit recently. Maraming salamat po. Awa ng Diyos. Kasi ang dami talagang nangyayaring ganap sa buhay ko aside from the concert preparations. So, maintaining my health really is one of my number one priorities right now. But we also started doing the dance rehearsals for my concert last month po, before I started other things like yung mga ito nga, nag-fly pa ako to Germany and stuff like that. Just so that I have a gist of what I'm gonna be doing as a concert. Ipapolish na lang later on. So, it's really a balance of finding time for yourself and then finding time to rehearse and then other things. Nagkakagulo-gulo na sa schedule, but it's really just priorities, you know? So, kahit na kailangan kong gumising ng maaga, I make it a point to go to the gym. It's not just for, you know, physical fitness, for the aesthetic. It's really for my overall health, yung stamina ko sa concert, to be able to prolong dance numbers and stuff like that. So, ayun, those are some of the preparations I'm doing for my concert. Also, I'm gonna start vocal rehearsals and band rehearsals and vocal coaching soon. So it's stuff that we're all very much excited for. Yeah.
Oh, grabe yung waking up super early to go to the gym.
Kasi, kunwari, if it's before showtime, I have to be showtime. Dati, 10:30 yung call time kasi 11 yung live yun. So, I have to wake up at 7 or 8, mga ganun, para tumakbo, mag-lift, or whatever. So, ayun.
That's an early 20s energy.
Yeah.
Oh, grabe.
Kasi after showtime, yung iba, like the Darenatics, na nagugulat sila, may ganap pa ako after showtime. My day doesn't end after showtime. At saka, at least minsan, if may free time after showtime, I can do whatever I want na. Kasi the gym, it's out of the way. That's how I started my day na.
Tama. That's a good way to start the day though.
Yes.
Okay. Next, the question coming from Mommy Joe of JoeMonsol.net. Is Mommy Joe here?
Hello po.
Oh, there. So we have our mic, or should I get my mic? Okay, my mic.
Ayan.
Ayan.
Thank you, DJ Sam.
Of course, very hardworking tayo.
Thank you, DJ Sam. Congratulations, Darren, and your team.
Thank you po. Salamat po.
Oh, we're so excited for you.
Thank you po.
Siguro my question is, in the 10 years, do you think you have achieved your goal in your music career already, o meron pa? At saka, are there some more up your sleeves that you're hiding that you're going to unveil in this concert? We're excited to see kung meron kang surprise.
Salamat po. Of course, there's a lot of surprises for this concert, not just in terms of the music po, but also the production, the stage design, the prods. Very exciting po. But for me, of course, there's so many things that I've already achieved in terms of my personal goals in my career in the past 10 years. Siyempre po, nung 12 years old ako, nung pumunta dito for The Voice Kids, pangarap ko lang naman maisa lang sa blind auditions, tsaka maisa lang sa ASAP natin to. So those are some of the goals and dreams that I have already achieved in the past 10 years. Ayun po, to stage my own major solo concerts, to release albums and all that. To be part of yung ito pong mga acting, movies and also series and stuff like that. So those are some of the things that I've achieved from my bucket list po. And there's nothing wrong with wanting more. Siguro for me, I want to release music internationally pa, like to be on the global stage din po. Hopefully soon din. So those are some things that I want to achieve pa in my career as well. And also in terms of my personal life, siguro to be able to continue my studies kapag may time na talaga para matutukan ko po. Kasi I stopped after high school. Sakto rin, 2020 was the year that I was supposed to enroll for college. Tapos, ayun, dahil sa pandemya hindi na natuloy. So who knows? Maybe after my concert, magka-time na po mag-enroll ako. Makahanap na ng college. Ayun.
Huling hirig na lang, anong course dapat?
Dati po gusto ko po talaga in the medical field, katulad ng magulang ko, most of my relatives, yeah. Pero ang hirap pala talaga, kailangan talaga araw-araw kang papasok sa school, you have to really be there, be present. So it's kind of hard to maintain that kind of lifestyle. So yun nga po, to become more practical with it, siguro sa business management, mga ganun po. Kasi maybe one day I want to own my own business or be part of a business. At least alam ko kung paano i-handle yung finances and maybe be my own manager as well. Hindi ko na kailangan mag-hire ng iba. So, ayun, business management po siguro.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much po for your question. Now, we have John Derek Ordonez for Manila Concert Junkies.
Hey, okay po.
And hi Darren,
Hello.
Derek from Manila Concert Junkies. Before my question, I just want to congratulate you for your concert. And
Thank you.
I myself is a Darren addict. Yeah.
Wow.
Nanood ako. Nandun ako ng Thanksgiving party ng January.
What?
Yes.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
and of course. So, ayun, and we've seen your growth no, for your 10th year anniversary. So my first question would be, what do you think is your biggest challenge as you enter your 10th year in showbiz?
Of course, siguro one of the biggest challenges for me is what's next? Like after this, what else do I have to offer to, you know, those who have continuously watched and supported me throughout the 10 years po. Talagang, it's all about reinventing yourself at the end of the day. So, ayun po, siguro that's one of the challenges for me after my 10 years. And also, ano pa ba? Parang yun lang for now.
Sige, thank you. Now, we all know naman that you grew up in Canada, your family's there. So my next question would be, if there are opportunities for Darren to pursue a career in Canada, or even in Hollywood, you might not know, diba? Will you grab it?
Of course, kasi syempre hindi naman po tayo lahat nabibigyan ng ganun ka special na opportunity. You know, not everyone is given that same chance to be able to have that kind of career. So, if the time comes or if there's an opportunity, I'd certainly grab it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
See you
po.
on June 1.
See you. Thank you po.